Hello everyone, uh, welcome to my new video. Uh, I'm going to share to you how to lose weight in just 7 days. Natural drink, and it's not so expensive, and also it's three ingredients only you can use, so you can make it at home. And I have already make a juice natural drink to lose our belly fats. And this one is made of ginger and one whole carrots. Uh, how how I make it this? I put here in juice maker. This one. You need to use this or other kinds of juice juice for to make juice at home. And then and then before before breakfast you drink this one glass, and before bedtime you drink also, so you can lose pounds. And uh, you can lose pounds, um, 10 kilos. It needs to drink twice a day in one day, breakfast and before you before you sleep at night. uh, Thank you for watching. Hope you like my uh, natural drink juice to lose belly fat. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down the section below. And then after that, I will post the ingredients and how to use and drink this. And you can repeat this until you lose weight and you lose belly fats. Thank you. Have a nice day.